Yes.
Two.
Oh, God bless you, Sammy.
Two.
Oh, but you. Are we getting lots of them now?
Ma.
Yeah. Does Mommy have the camera?
Yeah.
Are you going to sneeze for the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to stand up? You going to sneeze for the camera? Yeah.
Let me hear you sneeze.
Yeah, we have to put that shirt on too.
Can you sneeze for me?
You going to sneeze? God bless you.
Two.
Oh, you're so silly. God bless you.
Sam, what's the duck say? What's a duck say? What's a cat say? What does a cat say?
Here.
No? What about a cow? What does a cow say?
Cow doesn't say quack quack. A duck says quack quack.
Hi.
What does a cat say? What? You're being silly. Can you say meow? Meow. Is that what a cat says? Yeah.
What's the cow say? What about a Mustang? What's Mustang say? The other one's answering. Is that your photo album? You like your pictures? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.